Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to you can save the photos in WhatsApp, like what you can see like only one time, how you can save that photos. The first step, the first thing you need to know is you can do that with the recording of your phone or a screenshot, because WhatsApp have a security for that tricks. And if you want to save that photo, you need to go to your PC version of WhatsApp, and in that version, in your PC, in the version of PC for WhatsApp, you can save that photo like with a screenshot, or recording the screen with another with another program like OBS. So remember, you can save that photos only in the version for PC of WhatsApp. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.